Coronavirus. First of all, why are people against it? Well, some people just don't think that this is something that will benefit their healthcare. They doesn't think that it will benefit them in the long terms. And that is completely okay, since everybody has the right to choose their own healthcare. Some people doesn't believe that it have been tested on enough people and enough people with different kind of illnesses, so don't know the long term on different kind of illnesses. Then there are some people that think that this government are putting microchips tracking devices in the vaccines, but it doesn't really have any data to back this theory up. And it will be really hard to make this amount of microchips that is so small so they could be in liquid. Then there's the people that just don't believe in vaccines, believe that the body should fight any virus natural, and is against all kind of healthcare. So, why is this even a culture war? Well, apparently there's just some people that doesn't believe that people have the right to choose their own healthcare, and is protesting and with violence against people that is choosing to get the vaccines. And there's also common culture with it, because some people, it just isn't a part of the culture getting the vaccine. So, what are people trying to do to trying to make people get the vaccine? So, first thing there's a lot of states that are doing is not letting people into festivals, like saying if you're not vaccinated, you cannot go into this specific festival. And then there are also some hotels that are saying that you can't visit their hotel if you aren't vaccinated. They can also encourage you to get the vaccine through commercials or posting pictures of celebrities getting the vaccine. So, what is my personal experience with the vaccines? I had only got corona once, and I think that's because of the vaccines. I have been with a lot of people who have gotten the corona a lot of times because they aren't vaccinated. But I also know people who have gotten the corona before and after vaccine, and still the vaccine have gotten harder benefits, or they have pretty hard side effects, like getting more sick from the vaccine than when they actually had corona. And I was actually also more sick when I had the vaccine and then when I actually had corona. But I think it's because of the vaccine that I wasn't that sick when I actually got corona. So, why do you think, why should we get the vaccine? Why should we, all get the vaccine? Well, it's really important to have a community that is protected to viruses, and so it's not spreading as fast as corona has. People who are vaccinated also for different kind of illnesses is still that those vaccinations are still helping with corona. And if less people get sick, then it will also less very sick people, like elderly or kids, are not getting the virus. The people that could get really could die from the corona vaccine. And it's important to just protect the community. I think that no matter what, you should let people choose their healthcare. And I don't think that anybody is putting any kind of microchips or anything, or is lying about the vaccine to us. And I would recommend everybody to get the vaccine because I think it's a really good benefits. The problem is just that also some places cost money to get this vaccine, and not everyone has the resources to get the vaccine or just drive and get the vaccine. And I think there has been a problem where people are blaming other people for not having the vaccine. And I think it's just should be free, and everybody should be able to choose what they want to do. no matter what. And I also think the vaccine, no matter what, also should be free, and let everybody have it. Yes.